Hi again, first graders. We're still in Pebble Go, and in our third video right now, we're going to take a look at the special parts of each Pebble Go article. First of all, notice that our search bar is still here and that this could be read in Spanish. Here's our breadcrumb trail. And here is our article's title, Chipmunks. The chipmunk article, every article in Pebble Go, is divided. This one is divided into body, habitat, food, life cycle, fun facts, and read more. These pop-up rectangles are called tabs. For practice, click on the Food tab right now. Click on the Body tab. You see how those tabs move you around the article. As you're looking at Pebble Go, you'll notice that there is a microphone or an amplifier button. This is an icon, a picture that means something no matter where you see it, whether it's in Pebble Go or Wikipedia or another Google search result that you find. What does it mean? It means that this database, this article, will read the story or the information aloud to you. Let's try it.
Chipmunks are rodents. They look like small squirrels with stripes on their backs and faces. Chipmunks have pouches in both cheeks to store food.
Wasn't that interesting? Notice how every time they pronounced a word, it was underlined. Why do you think certain words are in red and when you hover your cursor over the words, a hand appears? When you see a hand, no matter if it's in Pebble Go or another place, it means that when you click, you will be taken to another place. Let's try it. Click on rodents. There we have a glossary definition. And we have our icon again. That means, right, you're correct, read aloud.
Rodent. A mammal with large, sharp front teeth.
Can you tell from listening to that what the word's glossary definition might mean? What is this? You're right. It's a miniature dictionary. It tells us what a word means. How can I get out of this and back to my body article? Can I click on body? Yes. Can I click on this X? Yes. Click on the X. Here we are, back at our original starting point, the body portion of the chipmunk article. And we see another word has a definition. You can click on it if you'd like. I'm going to move on. Here's another tab, habitat. You can read aloud, listen. You can get the definition for the word. You can look at the picture. Notice when you hover over the picture with your cursor, your arrow, 4 arrows appear. What happens when you click there? What do you think? Let's try it. Now we just have the picture. Oh, wow. But what if I want to go back? Click on Habitat. And that doesn't work. So now what do we do? How do we troubleshoot on a site when we can't figure out what to do? We look around and we notice that here are two arrows. Click on those and there we go back again. It's okay to troubleshoot, to click around and find some things that work. It makes it easier to remember the next time. Here is the Food tab, and just what you'd expect, it tells you what a chipmunk eats. Here is the Life Cycle tab, and just what you'd expect again, it tells you how chipmunks have more chipmunks. And Fun Facts. These are some interesting facts about chipmunks. One of the most exciting tabs is Read More. In PebbleGo, many other articles have information about chipmunks. The prairie dog article, the raccoon article have information about chipmunks. You could read them if you wanted to. PebbleGo also gives us the titles of books that we might want to get from our local library. One is a book called Chipmunks. Another is a book called Squirrels. Throughout this informational video, I have been kind of going down a little bit because I wanted to show you at the end some things that are going on the bottom of your PebbleGo article. The first one is video, listen, and range. Just as you would expect, video, go ahead and click, shows you video of, well, I wonder what? How would we get the video to start? Look down at the bottom left and you'll see a common icon. It's a forward arrow, a triangle that is also called an arrow. What do you think this icon does? Click it and find out. What do you think these three dots do? Click them and find out. We can have a picture in the picture. Interesting. How about this? Notice our directions to get back to where we went. On your keyboard, press the key in the upper left-hand corner marked ESC, and it will get you back to the right size. But how do we see that video? Let's go here. There he is, Chippy. This video does not have any sound. You will see that the sound icon is grayed out. It's not bold like the enlarge icon. Now we want to get back to where we're going. Video and the X. You can also listen. What do you think that is? Oh, is that the sound a chipmunk makes? Perhaps. And range. And right at the top it tells you this is where chipmunks can be found. Click on the X to get back to where we were. We're going to stop here with this video and continue on in our last video in a little while. When you're ready, you can go to the next video.